Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the starter relay is located, the engine starter relay, where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. But it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. For any of you guys trying to find where the engine starter relay is located, always check the fuses for the engine starter. You may have multiple fuses. The video about the starter fuse on Toyota Corolla will be on our channel. Check it out before you start messing with replacing the starter or investing in parts and diagnostics. So you will guys have multiple fuse boxes in that Toyota Corolla. We will work in one today that's under the hood. If you open the hood and you face the engine, on the right side you have that cover. Open it and underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout that will look like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So for the engine starter guys, which relay we need to check? Oh, by the way, if you need to buy any relays, fuses, parts, tools, engine starters for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you will not waste your money guys. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So here the engine starter relay guys will come in that group of relays, and they go like that: relay 1, 2, and relay number 3. That purple relay will be for the engine starter. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.